A step-by-step guide to run email marketing campaigns on Kentico CMS. Kentico is one of the few content management systems which comes with all-in-one feature for marketing and brand promotion. Email marketing is one of the features which is used to run marketing campaigns. In this video, we will give you step-by-step procedure to run email marketing campaigns on Kentico CMS. First, you need to add certain contacts to which you will send marketing mails. Go to Contact Management to add contacts. Now click on Import Contacts. Now first you need to create an Excel file where all information related to customer is stored, and this file needs to be saved in CSV format. After selecting your file, you need to create a new group of contacts. Let's call it Sample Contacts. Match all the fields related to contacts and click on Import Contacts. Now all your contacts are saved in the system. Now, we need to start designing our email marketing campaign. Go to Online Marketing and click on Email Marketing. Select New Email Feed to start a new campaign. Now input all the details as shown, and attach an email marketing template. Using Email Templates option, you can create several customized templates. After that, click on Create New Email to create the campaign. Now you can edit the campaign. After editing the campaign, you need to add contact group which you have made earlier. Select the contact group. Here it is sample data. Now you can total marketable recipients for your campaign. You can also click on Recipient List to recipients information. After you have added contact groups, click on the preview to take a final look on your email. The preview shows how your email will look in front on the customers, and it also gives mobile view of your email. After you have double-checked all the details, now is the time to send the emails to customers. There are two options to send mails. The first one is to send at the current time, GMT. The second option is, you can select time as per your convenience. Now finally, after you have sent the email marketing campaign, you can check all the analytics like bounce rates, click rates, etc.